Hey guys, thanks for checking out another video with Angel and I. We decided to get out of the house a little bit today. I think it's what, the 3rd or 3rd of January. And it's been cold, crappy, snowy. And finally today it's about 35 degrees out and the sun's out for the first time in probably a week. So we decided to hit Lake Superior. There's some cool ice displays this time of year. Pretty much now through the end of winter as the lake washes up on windy days, super gusty days. It washes up onto shore and just makes really cool, essentially ice sculptures. So we decided to come poke around a little bit on the North Shore, see what we could find. And the first thing we noticed right away is we're not the only ones today that has this idea. Everybody else must be getting cabin fever because everywhere we went up and down Lake Superior here, there were cars and people at just about every state park, cross-country skiing, snowshoeing out, taking pictures. So yeah, definitely a nice day to do that. So yeah, we just finished up. Check out the video of some of these cool ice sculptures that we have. We're always up on the North Shore. We're always up Lake Superior, Boundary Water area, Ely. Usually trying to find where there's no other people and showing some of the cool, unique stuff that only the locals know about. So if this is the type of content that you'd like, hit subscribe on the bottom right there. We do try and put out a video at least once a week, once every other week. And check us out too on Facebook, Flatlandersgo. So, and make sure and stay around till the end too, because Angel does usually put out a slideshow of some of the pictures that she gets on these cool ice sculptures. Yeah, so here we go. So slippery.
I like this one right here.
Yeah.
Right here's fine. I'm so fat though with all this stuff. Oh, great. Look at that stuff over there. Let's go over there.
Yeah, let's go check that out.
I'm like stuck. Well, no, I can get out.
It's so slippery.
I don't want to
with these ice cleats on.
I don't want to throw on my face.
No.
Even this is cold. I want some of this ice too. I'm kind of stuck in there. Like I didn't know if I was gonna be able to get out by myself.
Glaze
I know. I'm trying to be careful so I don't fall. Quite the collection of ice pictures.
Walk out around in there a little bit. big ones. Love cedar.
I know. Probably one of my favorite trees. They're just always have the neat roots.
Just gnarly.
The bark's always.
They always look like they're 500 years old.
This one's gotten really old.
Yeah.
This one's really thick. You know.
Isn't there one with a woodpecker hole in it?
Yeah, I think that's further that one. Yeah, that one's thick.
Yeah.
They just have that twisted look too. This one isn't quite straight. Except that one's really odd.
Yeah.
Gooseberry tall. I like that feel of the bird. One in my yard. I like it when you're the only one here.
Yeah. See if you can get down there without slipping, crashing.
Well, it's not too bad. It's hot.
Well, we got Angel over there taking some pictures. She's always kind of the daredevil of us too. You did hop and skip over some of these rocks. Nice.
A little further, but
Keep going. Worst case, you'll fall in up to your knees and have to go home.
well, some of these rocks are really slippery.
I know. Uh-oh. They're just glazed ice on top.
I know. Some of them are okay, though.
You're more daring than I am.
Well, I do have some fruit That's going too hard on the go.
Yeah, you're at the end. Yeah, on top of these rocks, it's literally just glare ice. So, as you can see here, I mean, let's see if I can get closer to it. I mean, that's just glaze ice. So you step on these things, it's like a Zamboni went over these rocks and just glazed them. So even with ice cleats on there, they're super slippery. So I'll show you what we're using here for ice cleats. Let me come in where I can take one off here. So they're velcroed on the top. I think they're only 15, 20 bucks. They make a world of difference. So here's what they look like. And then on the bottom side, there's all these different spikes in green here, you see. So even though it looks like that's the trick to all of this, the problem is keeping multiple spikes on those icy rocks. So if you don't have at least 4 of these spikes on one of those rocks and you're down to 2, you're slipping in and sliding. So, oh, are you coming back?
Yeah, I just
Go for a swim. If we're lucky here, Angel might go for a little swim. It's cold. This water is going to be freezing up here shortly, so if she goes for a swim, it's going to be a long, cold walk back to the truck. Oh, yeah, that's probably a smarter move. Yeah, careful.
Which way did I come down earlier?
I think that way.
Right here?
I think right there. Alright guys, thanks for checking out a video with us. Again, hit subscribe on the bottom right if you want to keep watching this content. Again, we try and put out a video at least once a week. So stay tuned too. Angel's going to post some pictures she took of these cool ice sculptures, so we'll see you on the next one.